What if the ocean suddenly evaporated? This question comes from literally no one, because nobody wants the oceans to disappear. But hey, let's imagine it anyway. Let's say that one day, without warning, every ocean on Earth, the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, and even the poor, often forgotten Southern Ocean, instantly evaporates. Boom, gone, poof. You wake up, go outside, and the nearest beach is now a crispy, salty crater. Welcome to Dry Earth, the sequel. Now, let's be clear, evaporating the oceans isn't just draining them like a bathtub. Evaporation means turning all that water into water vapor, into gas. That's about 1.4 billion cubic kilometers of liquid water suddenly becoming air vapor. To do that, you'd need to dump an absurd amount of energy into the oceans, roughly 5.4 to 10 and a poor nadir's joules. That's like detonating every single nuclear bomb ever made, billions of times over. So, for this scenario, we're going to ignore how it happened and just assume some cosmic prankster waved a heat ray wand and whoosh, no more oceans. So, what happens next? Well, first of all, tsunami of steam. That much water vapor would rush into the atmosphere and immediately create an overpressurized boiling mess of superheated humidity. Every coastal city, New York, Tokyo, Sydney, Lagos, is instantly blanketed in a fog so dense and hot it cooks anything in seconds. Congratulations, you've created global sous vide. As the vapor rises, the atmosphere quickly becomes overwhelmed. Earth's air can only hold so much moisture before it starts dumping it back down again. So you get the rain, but not just any rain. This would be the biggest, longest, most violent rainstorm in history. Imagine standing under Niagara Falls, except it's sideways and falling from the sky. Thunderstorms, lightning, and enough precipitation to make you forget what dry clothes feel like. But here's the kicker, not all the vapor falls back down. Some of it gets trapped in the upper atmosphere, where it acts as a greenhouse gas. Water vapor is really good at trapping heat, so now Earth starts heating up fast. Ice caps melt, deserts spread, forests burn. Basically, you've created a self reinforcing hotbox. The more vapor in the air, the hotter it gets, and the less chance water has to condense and return to oceans. In the meantime, the sea floor is exposed. Welcome to a whole new world. Underwater mountains, shipwrecks, and the lost city of Atlantis are now your new hiking trails. Well, unless you die from heat stroke first. Also, with a sudden drop in water weight, tectonic plates start adjusting. Earthquakes ripple across the planet. Volcanic